Subscribe for my channel Amol Ujagre and hit the bell icon for latest update.
Hey, hello, my YouTube family. I hope you all are enjoying a safe and sound health. Today, we are back with another demanding topic from you guys, which is a work life balance. We will discuss the meaning of the work life balance, its main features, the importance, and ways to attain the balance in professional life. As we all know that today's technological era faces many challenges and difficulties in balancing the relationship between work and family life. We are aware that some careers allow a casual relationship between work and private life. At the same time, there are some careers which demands reduction or reduced relaxation between leisure and the family. Employers are becoming more aware of the work life balance and are implementing targeted measures to promote this fact. The goal is to create a productive, happier, and balanced environment. But the question arises, what essential meaning and the purpose of work life balance are? So, here is the answer to this frequently asked question. Work life balance is considered as an ideal balance between a person's working and private life. It is a concept of inducing a maximum happiness in an employee's life to increase production and work fulfillment. To create work life balance, both the employer and employee are responsible for this act. Other than this, a healthy work life balance is based on several independent factors, and it is good to establish a work life balance by implementing such elements in both areas without causing any damage elsewhere. It is then essential to know what exactly belongs to a healthy private life and a healthy working life, and how all such elements are connected. Now, let's discuss the ways which can help in attending a better work life balance. The first and foremost thing which needs to be considered while attending a work life balance in life is to accepting that no one is perfect. After hearing a word work life balance, you might assume certain factors behind it. You may think that spending the first half of the productivity at work and the other half of the day with friends and family comes under work life balance. But this is not possible each day. Accept the fact that the balance is achieved in life over the time and that no one is perfect. Always strive for a realistic schedule, not a perfect one, because no one is perfect and you should always allow yourself to remain open to redirect and assess your needs on any day. It is the key to find a balance in life. There will be some days in your life when your priority would be to complete a specific task at the workplace, while there would be some days in which your priority would be your family and the loved ones. So, remain fluid and constantly assess yourself versus your goals and the priorities. After accepting this fact, try to engage yourself in your dream job. This is clearly stated that no one will be happy to work productively, which involves the terms against the goals and priorities. It is a plain and simple fact that work is a social norm, but we should focus on the fact that a career should not restrain. Engage in the job which does not dread you while you get up from bed every morning. If you face difficulties coping with the things on the job that drains you, then something serious is wrong here. It is time to find a new job where you can work in toxic free environment with the people who can let your creative juices flow productively. Other than this, the first and foremost priority in everyone's life should be to prioritize their health. This plays an important role in attending a work-life balance. It is a straight and straightforward rule that safe and sound health will make you a better employee and better person, working with complete focus and dedication. It is okay to call yourself ill on rough days if you are facing any chronic illness, and avoid yourself from overworking in initial days of any disease, and it will prevent more days off in future. If you are struggling with a depression, anxiety, or any psychological issues, leaving your workplace earlier for your sessions will benefit you and prevent you from taking a long break for work. Trying a simple exercise and meditation daily is a perfect idea for those having busy schedule. Prioritizing health does not mean that you need to engage yourself in a radical and extreme exercise. Just simple workout for 10 to 15 minutes is also beneficial. Create a schedule for your working hours and tasks which needs your attention after reaching home. Set a specific time for such things, as it is essential to determine when you will stop working at home. Stop thinking about upcoming projects or presentations related work in family time. If you work from home, set up a deadline after which you should stop working. Otherwise, you will be engaged in answering work related emails and messages at late night, during the weekend, and even during the vacations as well. Notify your team and manager about your boundaries and time, after which you will not be available for any discussion. It will ensure that they all understand and respect your work limit and understand that you are engaged in some personal activities. I hope all these points are clear now. Now next, we will discuss some steps which will help to create a work-life balance at the office. The term work-life balance is just revolved around time management by most people, but it is something more vast than this. Choosing the right timing and then managing the work and personal life schedule ensures that the balance and harmony are created in life. Nowadays, the concept of home office is increasing due to the affordability and flexibility. Employees work from their homes and just require a functioning computer and a good internet connection. Home office based work provides more spare time, which can be spent with partners and kids. It also provides a more relaxed working environment, free from hustles and bustles of office and dress code. But it is sometimes risky to work from home, as such business have more chances to exploit and employees cannot socially control the elements. A more straightforward method against this is the concept of flexible working hours, which allows the employee freedom to start and end their work times according to a decision framework. In this way, they can better adapt the balance between their professional and personal life. For example, in most of the companies, flexible time frame is given of 9 to 5, and employees are asked to complete their task within this time frame. Other than this, it has been noted that our activities in daily life creates a negative or a positive impact on our health. During office hours, a posture, height, adjustable desk, and many other back-friendly facilities affect your backbone health. A person can engage in yoga courses, back to training, and exercise classes to avoid the complications if the workload is related to a desk job. Similarly, a healthy diet is primarily a primary concern of most individuals. It is primarily the responsibility of the employees in offices, but as an employer, you can also create various opportunities for your employees to encourage an environment of healthy nutrition. An employee with a healthy mind and body can do productive work, so it also depends on the employer to take care of this matter. As an employer, you can offer a wide range of meals at the office canteen, so for each employee can benefit according to their health condition. In the same way, a clean drinking of water facility can be provided by installing a water coolers in office in the standard way of doing something for the health and well-being of the employees. It has been observed that employees often face difficulty when it comes to their children, especially toddlers. They constantly search for a good daycare centers for their kids, which is a severe challenge. The practical solution to this is the company's Kind Garden. It might seem irrelevant thing, but in-house childcare centers are an effective ways to help employees. In-house childcare centers can help to relieve the anxiety of the employees and they can work more productively. Having their kid alongside them in the familiar atmosphere will make them out of the worry of checking the kids from any other daycare center. This is the appropriate personal and child care facility. As we have seen the various effective ways of creating a balance in life, so here are some merits for the employees and the employer regarding the work-life balance. The first advantage which employee and employer enjoys after attending a work-life balance is the personal happiness. The importance of one's private life and personal satisfaction is attached to the work-life balance. It is advantage for employees to have such balance in life. If employee work more comfortably, then the employers will also get satisfied and more balanced work. Next comes the flexibility. The concept of flexible working hours will enable the employees to organize their personal lives better. On the other hand, this is also an advantage for the employer as flexibility in working hours makes each employee's working time more effective. How can we forget the most important thing, which is healthier life? The work-life balance initiates the life of the employees, encourages a healthier way of life. On the contrary, healthier employees work in a more productive, satisfied, and inspiring way, which is the advantageous for employers as well. Home-based office is also gaining importance, especially after the pandemic. Home-based office work or work from home positively impact the lives of the employees. Work from home are also advantageous for employers because they save money and other expenditure while having the fewer people in the office. Then social events also an advantageous for employer and employees as they create more harmony between work and private life, while it is also fruitful for employers as it helps in team building among individuals. In-house child care facility is also the major demand of many employees. This facility is beneficial for employees having toddlers and helps to keep the work and family life balance. It also helps employer as their productive employees can return to work more accessible after the birth of their child. The last but not the least, we can say that work-life balance is extremely important in our lives as it has a various sort of advantages for our physical, mental and emotional health. Without having a harmony and a balance in professional and personal life, it is not possible to establish a good career. If you have enjoyed my today's video, then subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. I would love to hear your queries in the comments. If you want any topic of your choice, or let's say if you have any burning problem in your career or in your office, so please do let me know in the comment. I would love to make a next video on that particular topic. So thank you very much. So let's meet soon with another exciting topic. Till then, take care and goodbye.